Welcome back to Tansy Academy. In this video, we'll be talking about pivot, a SQL command. So we'll see with an example what a pivot is. Pivot is a technique used to convert data from rows into columns. I think you will better understand once I show the sample data and I show the query output. It allows you to aggregate data in a way that is more readable and structured. Example showing monthly sales figures across different product categories. Yeah, see, you have already seen how order data is. We have order number, order date, order ID, and then product ID. It's all different rows for order 1, order 2, order 3. So but I want to see the total number of sales for monthly, so use some technique like this. It's mostly used to generate result sets for reporting purpose. And unpivot is reverse of what is pivot. It transforms columns into rows. So we'll have a look at both of these. And again, the SQL commands, the technique used to see in this video, try to understand the concept, what is pivot and what is unpivot. Okay, but how to do it depends on which platform you're working on. It's different on Postgres or Oracle or Mysql, okay, and MS SQL. So here I'm trying to explain the concept. Okay, so let's say this on the right hand side you have your data. This is the regular order data. I have order number, when was it ordered, and what were ordered as part of that order number. So red rose was ordered as order ID 1, and then again pink rose, again you have a red rose ordered as a part of order number 10, right? So but I want a report like this here, right? I want date, I want this date here, and then as a columns I want the product name. Here I have product name in the rows, right? But I want this to be converted into columns. So that's what the pivot is, converting rows into column headers. So once you do this, you can sum up the total quantity ordered for a given date and get a report, something like this. So here is on Postgres. This query works on Postgres. Unfortunately, you have to know the product names beforehand so that you can hard code it in your select statement before you run this. If there is any change, any new product coming in, so you have to edit your query and add product. In the same way, right, if I want to see my products sold per month, this will be January, February, March, all the 12 months, and then you can have here day, sorry, not date, but you can have the product names. How many red roses were sold in January or February? So you can tweak this query to get something like this. So ultimately what we are trying to do is we are converting the rows into transposing the rows into columns. So this is what is called pivot. It is also a functionality available in Excel. So unpivot is reverse to that. Let's say you have a data like this, right? See, this is what I was talking in a previous slide. You have a product column saying red rose, pink rose, tulip, and then you have number of products sold for January, February, March, April for this. If you want to convert these into rows, now I'm converting columns into rows. So this is called unpivot, right? So, and again, these techniques differs for each platform, but again for unpivot it's very simple. You can use union all and get it like this. Okay, thanks a lot.